A girl plays a very important and significant role from her birth till the end of her life. A very refreshing and electrifying good evening to all of you. I am Salonia. This is my great pleasure to be here. Today I am going to aware to all in the society about the girl education. Among the world, there are countless examples of the women rising, taking their leaderships and also taking their own destiny into their own hand. But still, she considered as a weak because lack of education. Education is a power. Education is help to be individual to aware their rights and to make right decision, to protect themselves from our unfairness and from abuses. However, lots of people being denied to access education in India. However, the majority are girls. Every year, 1 million girls drop out than a boy, and this there is a wide gender disparity of in literacy rate in India. 85.14% for the man and 64.14% for the woman. This leads to a huge gender disparity of workforce participation in that area. Lots of girls face a lack of education because of lack of financials. Earlier marriage, earlier pregnancy due to religion. I request to all and the society through this video, if you educate one man, you educate only one person. If you educate girl, then you will educate whole family. Everyone has the right to education. You will change their life by providing education. You will change their world by providing education. They need help. They need your help. They need attention. They need attention. Your attention. Give a book, they will read it. Give a pencil, they will write it. Your little bit support will change their life. And you have the power to make this difference. Make this difference right now. And educate a girl child so that they make the difference in the society. My father always told me, as an Indian woman, when she young, she depend on her father. When she marries, she depend on her husband. When she get old, she depend on her son. I don't want you to be like that. I want have the independent. I want to you be the master for your own life. And it's possible because of the education. If you have education, if you are educated, and also through the education you stand up on your own feet. I'm very lucky to have the parents like this, and I'm very lucky to have the teacher like this. I read on somewhere on that written, educate a girl as educate your son. Educate a girl because she's going to help in your society. No. Educate a girl because she deserve it. Educate a girl because she can make their own decision and stand up for herself. Educate a girl because she can be strong and assimilate and beautiful and amazing. Educate her, she can be independent, does not have to depend on other. Educate her because she can make their own rights and without having any reason associated with it. Educate her because her right. If you invested on girl education, she feed herself, she feed her community, she feed her nation. Someone has said there is no chance of welfare in the world unless the condition of girl improved. So my dear friends, and one more thing, it is not possible for the bird to fly on one wings. In the same way, it's not possible for the girl to fly on one wings in the sky. So my dear friends and the society, are you ready to give your wings to the girl? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yeah. Well, we empower a woman by empower a girl, by educating the girl child. Thank you so much.